Imagine spending hours grading hundreds of assignments, only to leave students with vague, repetitive feedback. That's the reality of many educators today. I'm Kushi. Along with my teammates Rohan and Vihan, we are introducing Gradient, an AI-powered assistant that streamlines grading, tracks learning patterns, and personalizes feedback while keeping ethics at its core. One of our team members, a former TA, saw firsthand how professors struggle, grading 150 coding assignments in 2 days, rushing through feedback, and missing key learning gaps. Grading doesn't replace teachers, it empowers them, ensuring no student is left behind. So, what makes Gradient different? Unlike AI tools that automate grading, Gradient keeps teachers in control. AI suggests, but educators decide. Feedback is transparent and customizable, aligning with each teacher's style. Beyond grading, Gradient identifies learning patterns, flagging struggling students early, and recognizing creative problem solving. While most tools focus on speed, we prioritize fairness, explainability, and trust, ensuring AI serves as an ethical teaching assistant, not a replacement. AI in education carries real risk bias, privacy concerns, and academic integrity issues. Gradient mitigates these from the start. It's trained on diverse data sets, audited for fairness, and ensures full transparency, so educators control AI's recommendations. Student data remains encrypted and compliant with FERPA and GDPR. And as AI blurs academic integrity, Gradient safeguards learning, not replaces it, detecting AI-assisted plagiarism and promoting ethical education. With responsible AI at its core, Gradient builds trust and enhances learning. So now I'll hand it over to Vihan. Thank you.
Thank you, Kushi. At Gradient, we elevate the learning outcomes by identifying each student's unique pattern. Our system notices when Jake understands theoretical concepts but needs support with the practical coding skills and then recommend targeted resources. Second, we prioritize student well-being with early intervention systems. Our dashboard alerts help teachers spot struggling students before they fall behind, replacing generic feedback. Finally, we ensure fair grading through consistency and transparency. Rather than simply marking answers right or wrong, our system adapts to a different teaching method while providing clear explanations for the assessment decision. Together, these capabilities create a comprehensive support system that empowers both educator and student. Next, Rowan will talk about the finances.
Empirical data shows that 60% of professors are already using AI assisted services in some capacity within the classrooms. This statistic isn't just a number, it reflects a profound shift in how educators are embracing technology to enhance teaching and learning. Hence, with Gradient, professors are able to streamline grading, provide real-time feedback, and even tailor educational experiences to individual students, all with unprecedented ease and accuracy. Gradient, our app, our service, can be implemented from grade 12 to universities. It provides time-saving efficiencies for professors. There is targeted feedback for students and analytics to aid student performance development. It lessens professor burnout, which means it brings increasing efficiencies into the classroom. Let's talk about the financial projections. The cost of Gradient is $225K. With a population sample of 30 schools, 1,000 students, this translates to $750 per student. Revenue, $25 per student. This gives a marginal contribution of $17.50, which translates to $525,000. Is this scalable? Yes, absolutely. Industry projections show that the dollar value of AI-assisted services has increased exponentially from 2023 to 2033 at $810 billion. This will translate into profitability for you as an investor. We are asking for your investment in our startup. Thank you for listening to Team Gradient.